Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our last class, we discussed what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, and why it can be one of the best career opportunities for you. Now, whenever people hear about affiliate marketing, the very first question that comes to mind is what type of product should I promote? Because believe it or not, nearly 80% of your affiliate income depends on the type of product you choose to promote. That's why in today's class, I will walk you through how many types of products are available in affiliate marketing, what these product categories actually are, and which type might be the best choice for you. And at the very end of this class, I will also share with you the type of products I personally work with, why I chose them, and which product type you should consider working with as a beginner. So let's get started. Let's start with the main question. How many types of products are there in affiliate marketing? Well, when you step into affiliate marketing, you will find thousands of products to promote. But to make it simple, we can divide them into two main categories: physical products and digital products. What is physical product? Anything you can actually touch and hold in your hands. Think about the mobile phone in your hand or the laptop in front of you. These are physical products. Now, what is digital products? Digital products are items you can see and use, but you can never physically touch them. For example, software, ebooks, online courses, plugins, templates, and more. So, to make it crystal clear, physical products are the ones you can touch and hold, and digital products are the ones you can see and use but never touch. Now, the question is, where can we actually find physical products for affiliate marketing? Well, there are plenty of affiliate networks and marketplaces where you can get physical products for affiliation. Among them, five most popular marketplaces are Amazon, eBay, Walmart, AliExpress, and Target. Now, let's explain Amazon. When it comes to physical products, the world's biggest and most popular marketplaces is Amazon. The affiliate commission usually ranges from 1% to 10%. According to Amazon Seller Central data, around 0.9 million affiliate marketers are already working here. The standard cookies duration is 24 hours. However, under special conditions, it can extend up to 90 days. For example, if someone clicks your affiliate link and visits Amazon but doesn't buy immediately, yet makes a purchase within 24 hours, you will still earn a commission. And if someone adds a product to their cart through your affiliate link but delete the purchase, you are still safe. As long as they buy that product within the next 90 days, you will get commissions. So, I have just mentioned five marketplaces, but keep in mind there are many more popular marketplaces out there where you can find thousands of physical products to promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, let's talk about what kinds of physical products are available in affiliate marketing. Go to Amazon. Now, just below the Amazon logo, click on All. Here you can see there are so many categories. Next, we will click on See All under Shop by Department. And now you can see even more categories appear. From here, let's go to Home, Garden and Tools. Inside this, you will notice several subcategories. Now, let's click on Furniture. Here, we can see multiple furniture categories. If you now click on Sofas, you can see a wide collection of sofas. The very first sofa you can see here is marked as a best seller. So, let's click on the product to see all the details. Here, you will notice all the product information is clearly provided, such as the price is around $120. There are 1,157 customer ratings. Over 1,000 sold last month. This product is available in 7 different colors. Scroll down and many more details are listed here. If we scroll a little up, you will see that if you purchase this sofa, the delivery charge is $35.36. Now, let's talk about your commission. If you manage to sell the sofa through your affiliate link, how much will you earn? Well, under the furniture category, Amazon affiliates earn a 3% commission. So, let's quickly calculate. Here, $120 into 3% equals 3.6. That means for selling this one sofa, you will earn around $3.60 in commission. I hope everything is clear so far. And if you want to know how much commission Amazon pays in each category, simply check the official page. Now, let's talk about where you can find digital products and what their commission rates might be. There are so many affiliate networks where you will find thousands of digital products. But marketers usually prefer the top 5 most popular networks, and those are ClickBank, JVJu, Warrior Plus, ShareASale, Impact Radius, or Impact.com. Let's explain ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest and most popular networks for digital products. So let's see how much commission does the ClickBank affiliate program offer. First, go to Google and type ClickBank affiliate commission rate. Click on the official link here. Scroll down a little. Here you can see you can get about 90% affiliate commission from ClickBank. That's a very high payout compared to physical products. Now, I'm going to introduce you to a website where you can see offers from multiple networks at once. So, go to Muncheye.com. This is a launch calendar site where you can find upcoming digital products. Here, you will see two main sections, big launch and all launch. Now, let's scroll down. As you can see, there are so many offers listed here. Let's take one example. So, click on this offer. Here, you can see the product details, vendor name, launch date, product price, affiliate commission, JV page, network. Now, let's click on the JV page. This is the official page where affiliates get all the important product information. If we try to discuss everything here, this class would become too long. So today, we will focus on the most important parts, and in the next few classes, we will cover the rest in detail. First, look here. We can see the vendor information. This vendor became the user of the year on JVJu in 2022. There is also a short video that gives an overview of the product. This helps affiliates understand how the product works. Next, let's check the commission section. The fronted product gives 50% commission. And below that, there are several OTO products, one-time offer. These are upsell offers that appear automatically after the customer purchases the main product. If the customer buys any of those upsells, we will earn commission from those too. According to the JB page, from one complete sale, including upsells, we can earn around $60 to $90 in total commission. Of course, this is just an example shown on the JB page. Now scroll down. Here's one of the most exciting part, contest and bonuses. The vendor has announced 3 big contests with a total bonus of $7,000. Let's see the full breakdown shown on the JB page. Opening contest 18 November to 19 November. First place $1,000, second place $600, and third place $400. Closing contest 20 November to 25 November. First place $1,000, second place $600, third place $400. Third and general contest 18 November to 25 November. This one contest total sales during the full launch period. First place $1,500, second place $900, and third place $600. So, in short, affiliates can earn 50% commission from each sale, plus extra cash bonuses from this contest if they are among the top sellers. That's one of the biggest advantages of promoting digital products. You can earn both commissions and bonuses at the same time. If we scroll further, we will see even more information and menus. Don't worry, we will discuss each of these sections in upcoming classes, step by step and in detail. Now, let's come to the most interesting offer, recurring commission. What is recurring commission? Some digital products are highly valuable and used regularly. These usually require monthly renewals. This means once you sell a product to a customer, Whenever they renew every month, you continue to earn a commission without any extra effort. Let's take an example. Suppose a product has a $10 recurring commission. You sell this product to 100 people. If 50 of them renew every month, you will earn $500 per month without any additional work. And this is where the real benefits of digital products begins. Now, let's discuss physical versus digital product. Think about this. Selling a physical product gives you an average income of around $3.60 per sale. On the other hand, selling a digital product with the same effort can give you around $33.50 per sale. Plus, there are special bonuses, launch prices, and recurring commissions. So, if you want to start affiliate marketing today, I strongly recommend choosing digital products. It not only increases your income but also gives you time freedom and financial freedom. So friends, that's it for today's class. If you enjoyed our classes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Also, don't forget to comment below which type of product you plan to work with. Thank you so much and have a great day.